Hi, my name is Mike Ponder. I'm the CEO, President of Integrity Payment Systems, and I really want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. Now, if you're watching this video, my guess is you're certainly in our industry, you like our industry, you've done very well in our industry, or you're new to the industry. But there's one common denominator that I constantly see in this industry, and that is there's a high probability you're looking for a better home. That's at least what I call it. Because, you like what you do. I'm not saying you don't like who you're with. I'm just saying that you possibly aren't getting your needs met. And that's why I'm taking the time to do this, because I really want to reach out to you and let you know what we're all about, because I really believe, in my heart of hearts, that we're absolutely what you're looking for. Because, for example, what you do is the hardest part of the whole cycle, finding a merchant and selling a merchant. And then after that, when you submit that account to the organization you're representing, there's a lot of things that can go wrong and potentially have gone wrong for you, such as it's really hard for you to make a direct connection with someone at that organization that you feel really cares. Maybe you don't have a direct relationship with someone, you're dealing with potentially a middleman, and by the time you get the information back to you, it's too late. You can't close the sale or you can't service the merchant. It becomes very frustrating. There's a variety of reasons why you're looking on the web right now, and I believe for a better home. And I could put a whole list of them together. So what we did was we created an organization around all the needs that I had as an agent. I mean, I started knocking on doors going a long time ago, in 1987, as a rep. And when I had the incredible opportunity to build an organization, Integrity, I made certain that every single aspect of what my needs were as an agent are being met by Integrity. So we are a one-stop shop, a place that you can call home, that you can have a direct relationship with, cut out the middleman, and know that you have access to every single person within our organization to service your needs. Because here at Integrity, we know that you are absolutely our first customer. And if we take care of you right, we have a great basis for a great partnership for a long time, and we then get to take care of the ultimate customer, the merchant. So again, if you're looking for a better home, I will tell you we're it, but I would encourage you to take this a step further and fill out the information, forward it to us, and we really look forward to having a dialogue with you and share with you the rest of our story and why we absolutely know that we're what you're looking for.